So I'm going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word, which is a word processing program that is on all of our public computers. It could also be on your personal computer if you have Microsoft Office. You can write letters with it, you can make resumes with it. Very useful. So here we go. So the first thing that's going to pop up is recent documents. Since we're on a public computer and it wipes the information every time somebody logs out of it, we don't have any other documents right here. So we can open up a blank document or we can open up one of these other templates. So basically what a template is it'll already be formatted for you. You just need to fill it out. So I'm going to open up this template for a resume. So one of the reasons that templates are really nice is that you can pretty much just click it and then retype it. And you can just instantly fill it in with your information. And if you want to change any part of it, you can. Let's say I wanted to make my name bigger. Go over here to the font area and look at the numbers and bam. You can change the font size here, the font here, so you can change it up that way. Bold, italicize, underline. You can also do a strike through. If you need superscripts at all, you can do that. You can change the font color and highlight here as well. You can also change the alignment of the text. That one goes to the right, to the middle, to the left. And you can add bullet points. So I'm going to open up a new blank document to demonstrate that. Let's say you're making a to-do list. Maybe you want to clean the bathrooms. And every time you hit enter, it's going to make a new list, get computer fixed. And so on and so on. And that's something that you can change those as well. If you mess up, the undo and redo buttons are here. So adjusting the spacing doesn't really work super well with the lists, but I'm going to switch over to our resume. And let's just say we wanted to change the spacing. If you go up to paragraph under spacing, if you type in a number after or before, it will adjust the spacing accordingly. And that's going to spread things out a bit. So now in order to, let's go back over to the list. In order to save it, we're going to go to File and Save As. Going to click this PC. Actually, yeah, okay. So if you're using Microsoft Word at home, you can save it wherever you want. But if you are using Microsoft Word on one of our public computers, I would suggest that you save it on a USB thumb drive. So this is what a USB drive looks like. And if you wanted to save something with this, you're going to want to plug it into one of the USB ports in the computer, which will look like that. So plug that in real quick. So then we go down to Store and Go in the E drive. Your USB drive will probably say something different, but it's going to be separate from most of it's going to be in an E drive or an F, depending on which slot you put it in. And I'm just going to hit save. And I'm just going to double check that it's there. So I'm going to open up the files here, go down to Store and Go. And there it is. It's right there. And so down the line, we have insert. So you can insert a cover page if you have a manuscript that you're editing, a table, insert pictures, a screenshot, a media link, page numbers, header, footer, whatever you fancy. Design, these will change all of the document formatting at a time. So if you're looking for something specific, I would recommend messing with them in layout. So in layout, you can adjust the size of the margins. You can change the print to the page to landscape. So it will print the long way instead of the short way. You can change the size of the page. You can change the indent and spacing from here as well. In references, you can build a table of contents, can insert citations. Pretty useful if you're writing a paper. You can create envelopes and mail and labels from here. Review is important generally for like spelling and grammar. If you're having trouble with a good word, Thesaurus will help you, and this will do a word count and it'll do a breakdown. So this one will just show you the general, but word count will give you a bit more information. And on the view, you can change the zoom, make a new window, change the views and layouts. And of course, help, if you're having trouble, you can click the help button. And so finally, we go to File. And from here, you can hit New. You can open an existing file. You can save from here. Print, you can export it to a PDF if you want it to be more difficult to copy. And close will just close the document. So that's about it for my video on Microsoft Word. I hope that this video was helpful and informative for you guys. If you have any questions or have any suggestions as to what I should cover next, you can leave a comment below or call us or email us, and I'll see you in the next video.